The paradox of the human condition. We are born into this world, fragile, powerless, our minds uncomprehending of the great paradoxes that await us. As children, we are showered with love and affection, coddled in the warm embrace of parental devotion. But even in those tender moments, the seeds of life's cruelties are sown. For what is love but the precursor to loss? What is joy but the harbinger of sorrow? We are taught to seek happiness, that elusive leprechaun whose pot of gold forever dances just beyond our reach. Positivity, they tell us, is the key to fulfillment. But in our pursuit of that shimmering mirage, we are met with disappointment at every turn. The world is a harsh mistress, governed by forces beyond our control. We are but leaves caught in the whirlwind of fate, tossed and torn by the vicissitudes of circumstance. No matter how tightly we cling to our dreams, reality conspires to dash them against the rocks of adversity.